Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome to my channel. Firstly, a very happy new year to every one of you. Today I am here with not just one or two, but a series of card making videos. This new year, my little daughter has decided to make a bunch of cards to gift her favorite ones and the friends and family. I will be sharing these as a series of videos and I will give the link to the playlist in the description box below. I hope you will make time and check out all the videos in the series. I wanted to support the thought of my 4-year-old daughter to make these handmade cards and helped her making them. Before moving on further, kindly subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Here's my little daughter telling you a hi. Firstly, I'm cutting down some thick watercolor cardstock into the size I require. For my card bases, most of my cards are measuring 5 inches by 7 inches. So I'm taking this white color cardstock and cutting them to the size of 4.5 into 6.5 inches. I've done a bunch of them at once so that my card bases are all ready while we are making the cards. For the first card, I am using these dies to cut out some flower pots. If you do not have these dies, you can also trace them or draw them on black paper and cut it in the required shape. As I am a crafter by profession, I have much more craft supplies at my little daughter's disposal, but you can also always craft with whatever is available at home. Once I am done cutting the flower pots, we are selecting some handmade flowers. My daughter chose her favorite colors. After that, she is applying some glue onto the cut flower pot and pasting it onto the white card base that I have already cut and kept. After pasting the flower pot, I am drawing some faint lines representing twigs and leaves. I am using a distress crayon here. You can also use a regular crayon or a sketch pen or a fine tip marker to make these lines. After drawing it with the crayon, I am just smudging it with a bud so that there are no harsh lines. You can do it with a sketch pen, or if you have an older kids, they can draw and doodle by themselves. Once I am happy with my leaves and twigs, I am placing drops of glue onto which my daughter is sticking the flowers. So this will be looking like a cute flower pot with the blooming flowers. This is a very simple and easy card design for your kids to make by themselves. I hope you will definitely give this card design a try. Once I am done sticking the flowers, we are stamping a sentiment onto the card. Like I said, I have many clear stamps in my collection. And I've chosen this sentiment. If you do not have these clear stamps, do not worry at all. You can make your kids write down their favorite quotations on it or sentiments on it, or you can write it down for them and then cut it and then ask them to paste it on it. Our card is almost done. I'm sticking it onto a card base. You can see the pictures of the finished card here. I really loved how these cards turned out. They were very easy and quick to make, and my daughter absolutely had fun making them. I hope you liked this video and we were of some inspiration to you. You can also see the remaining cards that we've made. Make sure you check out the video tutorials of these cards too. The link of the playlist is given in the description box below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel and tapping on the bell icon. Also, do follow me on my social media where I share my craft videos and photos with you. Thank you.